everyone. This video is about corporate governance. Corporate governance is the system of rules, practices, and processes by which a firm is directed and controlled. Corporate governance essentially involves balancing the interest of a company's many stakeholders, such as shareholders, senior management executives, customers, suppliers, financiers, the government, and the community. The company's corporate governance is important to investors since it shows a company's direction and business integrity. Good corporate governance helps the company to build trust with investors and the community. As a result, corporate governance helps promote financial viability by creating a long term investment opportunity for market participants. Corporate governance can be considered as a rules and practices undertaken to manage the company. Usually, board of directors act as the main force in influencing corporate governance in every organization. Nowadays, the investor expect the company to show some responsible behavior towards the society. Profitability is no more a sole criteria in investment decisions. In this situation, corporate governance helps the board of directors to bring a balance between different stakeholders of the company. Good corporate governance always helps the company to build trust in the investors and community, which in turn helps the company to become successful. Need for corporate governance. The need for corporate governance is highlighted by the following factors: widespread of shareholders. Today, a company has very large number of shareholders spread all over the nation and even the world, and a majority of shareholders being unorganized and having an indifferent attitude towards corporate affairs. The idea of shareholders' democracy remains confined only to the law and articles of association, which requires a practical implementation through a code of conduct of corporate governance. People have different mindsets. The investment pattern differs based on the investment objectives. The investor attitude towards investment need not be the same. Corporate governance can help the company to create investor harmony. It can encourage the investors' freedom. Under company's government, under corporate governance, a company can create some investor friendly rules which can attract common minded investors, which can help the company to achieve investor harmony. Changing ownership structure. The pattern of corporate ownership has changed considerably in present day times, with institutional investors and mutual funds becoming largest shareholders in large corporate private sector. These investors have become the greatest challenge to corporate managements, forcing the latter to abide by some established code of corporate governance to build up its image in the society. Shareholders are the owners of the company. Usually, shareholders are scattered all over the world. But when majority shares are held by institutional investors like mutual fund and insurance, ownership patterns gets affected. It is because these investors are usually experts. It forces the company to build a better image in the minds of these institutional investors. This corporate governance helps the company in this matter. Corporate scams or scandals. Corporate scams in the recent years have shaken public confidence in corporate management. The need for corporate governance is then imperative for reviving investor confidence in the corporate sector towards the economic development of the society. Business world has faced several scandals which has affected the investor confidence over the companies negatively. Corporate scandals always show the weakness in internal and external controls over the company, which can be detected with the help of good corporate governance. Effective corporate governance helps the company to reduce the likelihood of creative corporate scandals or frauds. Greater expectations of the society on corporate sector. Society of today holds greater expectations on corporate sector in terms of reasonable price, better quality, pollution control, best utilization of resources, etc. To meet social expectations, there is a need for code of corporate governance for the best management of the company in economic and social terms. In the past, society had no specific expectations from the company, but this situation has changed. Nowadays, society has greater expectations from the company. They want the company to be responsible and do good to its stakeholders. They want the company to produce quality products, sell it at a reasonable price, and provide better return to its investors. Apart from this, they also want the company to invest in society, maybe in the form of contributions to schools, charitable trusts, etc. Corporate governance helps the company to meet these expectations of the society. Hostile takeovers. Hostile takeovers of corporations witnessed in several countries put a question mark on efficiency of management of takeover companies. This factor also points out to the need for corporate governance in the form of an efficient code of conduct for corporate managements. As you all know, hostile takeover means taking over the company without consent of its management. It indicates the weakness of the company's management. If the company is treating their stakeholders better, they will not vote against their management. They will try to avoid this hostile takeover taking place. By using better corporate governance techniques, a company can avoid hostile takeovers. Huge increase in top management compensations. It has been observed in both developing and developed economies that there has been a great increase in the monetary payments packages of top level corporate executives. There is no justification for exorbitant payments to the top ranking managers out of corporate funds which are property of shareholders and society. This factor necessitates corporate governance to contain the ill practices of top management of the companies. Providing better payments to their executives is always a good thing, but it should have a limit. Companies should not give exorbitant payments to their executives out of shareholders' funds. They are indirectly affecting the investors. This can make the investor unsatisfied and it can induce them to stop investing in these companies. Good corporate governance helps to bring better compensation policy which will bring a balance between executives and investors. Globalization. Desires of more and more Indian companies to get listed on international stock exchanges also focuses on a need for corporate governance. In fact, corporate governance has become a buzzword in the corporate sector. There is no doubt that international capital market recognizes only companies well managed according to standard codes of corporate governance. Globalization plays a very important role in today's economy. Every company wants to expand their business globally, but global standards are different from national standards. To meet these standards, the companies have to struggle hard. Corporate governance helps the company in this area too. Because Even the international capital market considers standard codes of corporate governance as it brings better management to the companies. These are some concepts which shows the need of corporate governance in today's business. Let's see it again. First one, to bring harmony among the shareholders spread all over the world. That is widespread of shareholders. This corporate governance, it helps to build a better image in the minds of institutional investors. Corporate governance helps the company to avoid corporate scandals and thereby build investor confidence. Corporate governance helps the company to meet the expectations of the society. Corporate governance helps the company to avoid hostile takeovers. Corporate governance helps the company to develop better payment criteria which will satisfy both executives and shareholders. Corporate governance helps the company to meet global standards. Most companies strive to have a high level of corporate governance. For many shareholders, it is not enough for a company to merely be profitable. It also needs to demonstrate good corporate citizenship through environmental awareness, ethical behavior, and sound corporate governance practices. Good corporate governance creates a transparent set of rules and controls in which shareholders, directors, and officers have aligned incentives. We can say that corporate governance is the set of rules and practices which help the board of directors to manage their company. This encourages transparency, accountability, and security, which will boost investor confidence. Ignoring this, corporate governance can lead the company towards failure. It is all about corporate governance and need for corporate governance. Thank you.